So we're here in Shinjuku, Tokyo. We're doing a demo. I don't know why I have this baby in my arms, but...
We're just signing some autographs and stuff before we start skating all of these obstacles that shops out in Japan made for us.
Started the trip in Tokyo, now we're in Osaka, and you can definitely feel a big difference. Osaka's a lot mellower, more spread out. Tokyo's like really hustle and bustle.
I came here to Osaka to see Nakel. He's the best rider. I fucking love Nakel.
I like the ramps a lot. They seemed like they spent a lot of time working on them. All of them were fun to skate. They're set up nicely. It was good to see Dennis skate it, our obstacle we made, giant F logo.
The Bezenitz, he's killing it. Like, he's just cruising around, like, do some tricks, you know? The line all the time. I was kind of like shocked, you know? He's a master, man.